सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज के इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू एक्सपोनेंट्स। पिछले वीडियोस में मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें कवर कर दी है। अब जो हमारे आखिरी के चल रहे हैं उसमें हम कवर कर रहे हैं एक्सपोनेंट्स। सो व्हाट इज़ एक्सपोनेंट्स? सो एवरी सुपरस्क्रिप्ट नंबर। अब हम आते हैं कि व्हाट आर सुपरस्क्रिप्ट नंबर्स। सो बेसिकली सुपरस्क्रिप्ट नंबर इज़ अ नंबर, figure or symbol, we can say that, or indicator that is smaller than the normal line of type and is slightly above or below the superscripts, right? So जैसे हमने लिखा 2 to the power 3 is a superscript number. So what is 2 to the power 3, right? कि मतलब हमें 2 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. We have to multiply 2 3 times. So every power that is written, that means we have to multiply that number into that power. Okay, so come on, let's see with an example and understand some superscripts numbers. So a into b, a to the power b into b, a to the power c, that means they will be add, the powers will get added, right? If the base is same, here the base is same, a, so they will add, right? 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 2, that means base is same 2, and we will add powers. 4 plus 2, that means 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 means 2 will multiply 6 times. Okay, I think you got what I mean to say, right? Moving further, we will see that another example. Okay, so here we saw the example of multiplication. What if this get into a division of in a fraction form, right? A to the power 4 divided by a to the power 2. What we will do? In multiplication we added, so in division we'll subtract it. So a to the power 4 minus 2, because base is same, so we'll just subtract. So a to the power 4 minus 2, that means a to the power 2 it will come, right? Now a to the power b whole bracket power c, power, so power will get multiplied. A to the power b c, they will get b into c, that means 2 to the power 4 bracket power 2, that means 2 to the power 4 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 8. Understood? Now moving further, we'll see the next example. What is the next example? So now what if the power comes in a negative number, a to the power minus 2? What we'll do? We'll just put it in a fraction form, right? As we have seen in the second number कि हमारा जब वो fraction या division form में था, so we wrote in the we just subtracted the powers. So अगर हमारे पास power ही negative में है, so to remove the negative sign we will just put it in a fraction form. Now 1 to the power 1 by 2 the whole square, that is very simple, that we'll just we'll just square the numbers that is given. Okay, negative 2 की power 4. Now 4 is even, so obviously अगर वो power even है, so the sign will be of positive, and if the negative is given and if the power is odd, then the sign will come of negative, right? So even में positive, odd में negative, make sure. Now we have to simplify the question. What does this question says कि x की पावर -2 इंटू y की पावर 3, x की पावर 4 डिवाइडेड बाय x की पावर 6 एंड y की पावर 2. What we come and see, what is this similar in this case? Just go through it कि हम इस चीज़ में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो फॉर बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन आई विल जस्ट चेंज माई पेन. सो वी विल सी दैट कि हमारे पास x और x कॉमन है, y और y कॉमन इन डिवीजन फॉर्म, एंड इफ़ वी सी इन दी सेम फॉर्म वी सी कि न्यूमरेटर में भी x कॉमन है, राइट? सो विल जस्ट कट ऑफ द x के ऊपर नीचे 6 है, ऊपर 4 है, सो ऑब्वियसली 4 से 6 गया तो 2 बचा, और y का 2 इधर से गया तो ऊपर y की पावर 1 बची. सो व्हाट वी गेट, हमारे पास बचता क्या है, x की पावर -2 इंटू y अपॉन x की पावर 2, राइट. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर, दिस इज इट, right. So we see one thing more, we cannot cut it off because the +2 and -2 cannot be cut off, right. अगर ये ऊपर 2 होता then we can cut it, but हमारे पास -2 है and +2 है, so it will not cut off. Moving further, 5 to the power 4. What is 5 to the power 4? It is very simple कि 5 को हम 4 times multiply करेंगे. That means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So what we get, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and 125 5s are 625, right? So just concentrate on the powers. How many numbers are given in the powers, that times we have to just multiply the base value. Got it? Now moving further, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, that means we have to multiply 2 5 times, right. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right. So after multiplying 2 5 times, we get the answer as 32. Okay, now moving further, we'll see just similar questions right now. So 4 into 3 to the power 3, that means 4 into 3 को 3 times multiply करेंगे, right. 4 into 3 into 3 into 3, so by multiplying 4 into 27, because 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27, we get 4 into 27 as 108. Okay, clear? Now moving further, again we see that what if it comes as a whole square. There is a difference between the whole square and the number का square. Okay, whole square मतलब पूरा. 4 into 3, first we'll simplify. 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and 12 to the whole square is equal to 144. Okay, just make it clear. 4 plus 3 का whole square, what is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 7 का whole square is equal to 49. Okay, so just make your basics clear, right. Now 1.016 into 10 square, what? Now we'll write it as the same, 1.016 into 100. 10 का whole square is equal to 100. Now when we remove the decimal, the 1000 comes as a denominator. 2 will be cancelled, 2 zeros would be cancelled, and we get 1016 upon 10. I had made a mistake here, I'm sorry for that. Just ignore it, I'll just correct it. Ki here it comes as 1016 upon 10. So we get, after dividing it by 10, we get it as 101.6. Moving further, 3 to the power -2 का whole square. So first we'll remove the negative sign, right. So for removing negative sign, we have seen before कि for removing negative sign we will put the number as a fraction. So 1 upon 3 का square and the whole square. So for removing the negative sign, we will put it as in a fraction form, 1 by 3 का square and then the whole square of the fraction. So we get 1 by 9 का whole square, and by whole squaring it we get it as the 1 upon 81. So this is our final answer. Okay, moving further to the next question, we see as the question 5 cube into 5 की power -4. Okay, so what we will do here, first there's a sign of a multiplication, right. So we can just, in multiplication we add the powers. So how we will add, because here is -4, so we'll put the minus in the bracket. So after removing the bracket, it is very obvious that we get 5 minus 5 to the power 3 minus 4. So by subtracting 3 minus 4, we get as 5 to the power minus 1. I am sorry for the mistake here. We get the answer as 5 to the power minus 1, and for removing the negative sign, we get the answer as 1 upon 5 की power 1. And by power 1, if there is a power 1, the answer is same, right? Now 2 to the power 7 upon 2 to the power 3. In the fraction, if the number is in a fraction form, it is very obvious that it gets divided, it gets cut it off, or it gets just subtracted, right? It is very obvious. It is totally up to you whether you want to cut it off, whether it is easy for you to cut it off, or whether it is easy for you to just subtract it. So by subtracting or just cutting it off, we get the answer as 2 to the power 4. That means we get the answer as 32, I guess. Sorry, 16, yeah. Now we see here the next question, that if x is equal to 2, like variable x की value is 2, then 3x plus bracket x cube the whole square, what is the answer, right? So we have to see कि x हमारे पास जहाँ भी x है वहाँ पे उस variable की जगह हमें we have to substitute it by 2. So by substituting it by 2, we get it as 3 to the power 2, because there is a 3 to the x plus x, that means 2 to the power 3 to the whole square, right? So in every variable we just have to substitute every variable of x by 2. So by just simplifying it, we get as our last answer as 73, right? So if